In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to run in Jujutsu Shenanigans console. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly sprint in any direction on Jujutsu Shenanigans. So if you are playing using a controller, regardless of what you try to do, if you try to press down on the left joystick, if you try to press it twice, you will never start running. So to run or sprint in console, just press select and then using this highlight tool here, choose the gear icon or the settings inside of the game itself. Now you will open this main options menu, and what you have to do here is enable auto run. As the name suggests, this is going to allow your character to automatically run as soon as you press any direction on the movement stick or the left joystick. So you can go ahead, close down this in-game menu once this option is changed, and you will be good to go. So this is all you have to do. Now, if you go back inside of the game and you move the left joystick, you will start running, as you can see here. If you try to move backwards, you won't be able to run, but if you move forward or towards the left or the right, you should be able to get a sprint going. If you have shift lock, you will always run forward, but if you try to walk backwards, your character is still going to face the same way while walking slowly towards their back. So this is all you have to do to start running in Jujutsu Shenanigans on console. If you are playing on PC, you can also use the same feature, and like mobile, you can also go in there. And this is all you have to do. If you are on PlayStation 4 or Xbox, just go over to the in-game settings, change auto run to enabled, and now you will be able to sprint anywhere that you walk on Jujutsu Shenanigans. You only have to change the setting once, and then it is going to be saved afterwards. So as soon as you join Jujutsu Shenanigans another time, this will be enabled by default. I hope I was able to help you on how to run in Jujutsu Shenanigans console. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.